So yesterday I took off all this top stuff and exposed the installation, and then off camera that night we got started on the rivets. Today I've got a new employee. We're getting started on that top row right there, and then also on that rail down below, which I'm now 90% sure is connected to the slats. Alright, same deal as yesterday. Pounding out the center of the rivets and everything falls out. Alright. Give her a yank.
No, she ain't coming.
You gotta chisel off the old
No, that's not what's holding it.
Is it not?
Thanks.
It was on that thing last time. I'll show you how it's done. She's off. Woo-hoo-hoo. Now watch it not work.
Hey, your bus light's on.
There is a rivet right here or something.
Oh, is it a boat?
So as I work on that thing, Kale here is going to unscrew all the Phillips. Hold on. I'm going to unscrew all the Phillips heads inside these. Getting these back wall rivets off, and then eventually the AC heater off, so then I can get that wall off, and eventually this wall off.